girl rescued a parrot that was stuck in glue. Without hesitation, she immediately soaked the parrot in water and gently cleaned it. Gradually, the glue began to fade, and the poor parrot began to show signs of life. The girl tried to wake the parrot, then dried its feathers with a towel, followed by disinfecting it with an injection to prevent wound infection. Seeing the parrot's exhausted state, the girl fed it milk. It seemed that the parrot had been hungry for a long time. Gradually, the parrot began to recover, and their relationship got better and better. Every day, the parrot would stay by the girl's side, as if expressing gratitude to her. When the parrot fully recovered, the girl returned it to nature. The next day, the parrot and its companions came to the girl's house. Upon seeing the girl, they ran over, and the girl would also feed them with food. On the third day, when the girl opened the door, she was surprised to find the yard full of parrots. It turned out that the parrot wanted its tribe to meet the lifesaver